It's not about looking good. It's not about looking smart. It's just focusing on your work, focusing on your craft, doing your best, and understand that you can always better your best if you give your best every day. And that's what I do in my business. If there's a problem, I will confront them. Pag may meeting agad kami, isosolve agad namin yung problema. Yung iba ano ginagawa? Iniipon. Tapos pag galit na galit ka na, saka mo ibubuhos sa mga tao mo. Pag binuhos mo sa mga tao mo, di lalong hindi productive. Naipon na yung mga problema, naipon na rin yung emotions. Hindi nyo na-solve yung problema. At wala rin kayo natutunan doon. And that happens in relationships as well. May nakita ka, may naramdaman kong problema. Imbes na itanong mo agad, i-communicate agad, i-delay mo. Iipunin mo. Hanggat patong-patong na. Tapos magugulat ka, bakit nasisira yung relationships? Kasi iniipon mo yung problema. Hinihintay mo yung perfect time. Now is always the time. And if you will understand the context, a lot of people, almost 99% of people, will say, pag-usapan na natin next week. Next month na lang. If you can do it now and have an answer within 24 hours, lamang na lamang ka na agad dun sa 99% na laging mamaya na lang, bukas na lang, next time na lang, next week na lang.